In this video, I'm going to show you all of the plugins and editing secrets I use to create engaging YouTube video intros, all within Final Cut Pro. I've gone ahead and added my basic intro clip here on the timeline. It really doesn't need to be very long. I'm going to first go on over to the effects browser. Then we're gonna look up the Keeper effect. Hey, so Editor Dylan here. I just realized that I made Keeper sound kind of like it's a built-in plugin to Final Cut Pro. It's not built-in. It's a paid-for plugin. There's a link down below. You could also use FX Factory's new background remover plugin, or you could use Envato AI for motion VFX. I'm gonna go ahead and push Option and then click and drag on the clip that is here in the timeline, and that is going to duplicate it. But you will notice that both of these have audio waveforms. That just means my audio is going to be doubled up. It's going to be extra loud. So let's go ahead and remove the audio from that topmost clip. After that, I'm going to double click to apply Keeper onto this topmost clip. Then if I were to disable that underlying clip, we could see how well that is cutting me out. Now that the background's cut out, let's go on up to the top left and find our titles. And I'm going to go ahead and use a title for my friends over at Motion VFX in their M Behavior 2 pack. So I will click and drag that down, and you'll see that it's actually just a regular title. But we don't want it to affect the topmost clip, so what we need to do is click and drag this angle layer down in between so that it's sandwiched between the two clips. So now this M Behavior title is going to be affecting the bottommost clip, which is my backdrop. So pushing play, we can see how that's popping in really nicely. But I want to add just a little bit more energy to this entire animation. So let's take our playhead back to the very beginning, and we're also going to be using Premium VFX's dynamic transitions. I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and find this in B short, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that on top of everything. So now we're just going to have a nice powerful zoom at the beginning of our tutorial. Pushing play, you can just see how dynamic that intro feels. It's a great way to engage your audience, especially when they're watching just a little YouTube preview on the homepage. The final element to this whole process would be to add in some sound design. That's what really ties it all together. And I'm gonna save that whole process for another video that will be coming out soon. So make sure you're subscribed if you're interested in seeing that. There will be links to all of the different plugins I covered in this video. They are affiliate links, so they do support the channel if you use those links. So thank you so much. And you might want to check out this video where I show you 10 of my favorite paid plugins for Final Cut Pro. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.